Hello, in this video I'm going to install the new OS, the new TI Nspire CX2 CAS. All I need are the handheld calculators, the docking station, and this cable. This cable has a regular USB and mini USB. On the computer, if you open the TI Nspire Premium Teacher software, you can all see all 10 calculators that are connected. Alright, so after highlighting all the handheld calculator, go to Tools, go to Install OS, and I will select my OS, which is the TI Nspire. The newest is the version 5.04. 5.4. I'll select that and install. As you can see, it will install. Okay, we are updating now. Okay, so we'll go back to its default state. Now if we go now to the new, you will see now Python, and that's the thing we're gonna use.